Usborne Peek Inside Animal Homes, illustrated by Simona Dimitri. Some animals live in homes that people make for them. On a farm, horses live in stables with their foals. And who lives in this little house? Hens! But there are wild animals living all around. They make homes for themselves. Which animals can you see living in this pond? Wriggly tadpoles live in the water. Soon they'll turn into frogs and hop, hop away. Some animals like to live up high. This big tree is home to lots of different animals. Birds build nests for their chicks. A nest keeps them safe until they can fly. A hollow in the tree makes a snug home for squirrels. Some creatures burrow below the ground to make their home. Who lives under this hillside? Lots of rabbits. A rabbit home is called a warren. It has many ways in for making quick escapes. Busy, buzzy bees have a home called a hive. Thousands of bees live together in one hive. Inside, they build honeycomb, which has lots of holes. They make honey and store it there. The biggest bee in the hive is called the queen. Can you find her? In the spiky brambles, someone has woven a little nest. A mouse. She curls up inside and snoozes all day long. In the hot desert, teeny termites build a giant mound from soil, spit, and dung. Millions of termites live in one mound. It has lots of rooms. They store wood for food in some. Some have eggs with babies in them. The king and queen live here. Tall tunnels bring air inside so the termites can breathe. In the freezing cold snow, an animal has dug a snug den and stayed inside all winter. Sniff, sniff. It's a polar bear with her fluffy cubs. The cubs were born in the den. This is their very first time outside. A beaver gnaws a tree until it falls. He adds sticks and mud so the tree blocks the river. The blocked river makes a lake in the still water. The beaver builds his home with sticks and mud. A beaver's home is called a lodge. The door is underwater. Inside, it's warm and dry. Under the sea, lots of creatures live in a sheltered coral reef. Watch out! This anemone's tentacles sting. But these clownfish don't feel the stings, so it makes a very safe home for them. A hermit crab carries his home on his back. When he grows too big for his shell, he swaps it for a new one. Not all animals make homes. Some wander free and sleep in a different place each night. Who has folded into this giant leaf to make a tent? Teeny tent bats. They snuggle upside down when it's time to go to sleep. Ooh. Chattering monkeys swing through the jungle and rest anywhere they like. Down below, a jaguar and her cub slink away to find a quiet spot to sleep. The end.